All right, guys, as you know, maintenance on these trucks when you're doing heavy hauling is the most important thing. So we're gonna go ahead and use Rutela on our oil change. It's pretty simple. You need to get this one, that, and then we have the oil pan right over there. And it's pretty simple. Basically, you replace these two, and then on a 60 series, you have your drain plug right there, which you will need a half-inch to get to it. See the new oil filters I got? I'm gonna go ahead and get our half. Like that. Get our buckets like that. And easy. That's that. See the plug? Gotta get that plug out of there. I don't know how to record this. What angle to leave it at. Right. Just like that.